I love when I get to pair a book with some type of activity. In this case, I didn't even have chance to record because we were so busy in nature class doing the activity. So the little bear works around the story of him being small with a little boat, and then him getting bigger and then finding someone else that's small, and ending with him building a boat that is bigger as him. So when we did the nature walk, I said, we're gonna work on big and small. And what I told the kids to do was to find little leaves and big leaves. So that I knew when in this little trail that we did, there were some big trees that had some big leaves around, so they were probably going to find something underneath. What I didn't realize is that the trees that I was thinking about are not the trees that they found, and they found some really big leaves. At the same time, the little leaves were a little bit easier to find. So this was a lot of fun because the leaves were so big. We were actually seeing if the leaves were bigger than them. So you can just take what you have around you, go on a walk, and then find little sticks, big sticks. That's an easy one to find between little and small. And the more you repeat it, the more they're gonna grab into the concept. It is a lot of fun, and I hope you go out on a nature walk and have fun.